Hello, I'm Catherine Chimechama, Corporate Social Investment Manager for the FNB Zambia Foundation. We are in Kitwe, not just for the Kopala Run. We have selected the community, and every year ahead of this event, we select a community where we can make an investment that lasts beyond the winning of the medals. Today, we are in Luangwa community, where we have made renovations to an early childhood center that will then benefit from this investment. Let's hear from the community.
Nandini nebo faresi chimba. Nomwana wanjini daines kalaba sambira panopeni pa community school. Alandela ndokwe bati na chimpa pushopo na chirapita na imone school for them metano for yare mwene kakari. Fia baba po upusana. Ofo yare mwene ka fiale mfisha neso nangunare mleta ponomba chako eba fia yako ati umwana wanzu kuchira ikala mumunshi tapare ofo are chita. Kwa ati mulete ko fe panware sambira kwa kwata knowledge ya kuishiba kwa efinyi. Ao ni shinare muleta nare perera na panshira kwa bati kabiye ninkufisha nare umfuensoni. Nomba pari no shita jiru wansansa sana. Jiru wansansa apani kwa tana confidence ya kuramushinzika no kumurera kuti ndemurorela. Jiru wansansa sana. Ofo yare mwoneka mwanzini nangu kuma toilets. Ya pari ubu kusano sana. Ngwa papene feso nangu umuntu apita na umwanji pushe tumwana wenu wasambirira pesa. Ndikusonta no kusonta njirina confidence nde umfana proud.
My name is Hope Mkuyu. I'm a community development officer who is based in Luangwa. This facility where we are, this is Luangwa Community School. We've got early childhood education with 39 pupils. We've got also women groups, which are like 15 women serving groups. And then we've also got youth groups who do come for sports, recreation, culture, and art. Before the FNB Foundation came in, the place was so unsafe because the roofing were not stable, the floor wasn't stable. Also, we didn't have water. The toilets had a very poor condition. Now the FNB Foundation has come in, has improved the water, the sanitation, it has improved the floor, it has improved also the whole facility, of which we say thank you very much. Because as a community development officer, I really saw the need for this. Just like we've got other community schools that right now are not in a good shape. So we're asking to say like the same help you've rendered to the Kitwe City Council, it should also be rendered to other community schools that are in need.
Alanjiruwa kutotela kuri ba FNB Foundation ukutila tiresale baba kubapala bakonka nyepo yuino murimo wa kuomba mu community school kozi tatware nekero kwebati kuti kwaba kono murimo waso iskuringa muneka kwefi.
One of the key elements of our scope of work for this particular site has been, of course, changing there were no tiles before. We've changed the tiles, we've worked on the toilets, we've worked on the ceiling, we've changed the roof actually, and done some of the things that, like for instance, the roof itself was actually additional work which we felt needed to happen, not in the original scope of work. Giving back to the community has been the bottom line on this particular project, and even some of the staff that we have actually from the community. So we've tried to basically give back as much as we can in every particular element. So far so good, so thank you for the opportunity.
We are at Ndeke Masuzio Community School, where we have made a donation for age-appropriate tables and chairs for children under the age of 6. We also made a donation to Ipusukilo Community School, and Luangwa didn't just get renovations. Luangwa also got age-appropriate tables and chairs to cater to the children there. We are here to make an impact, not just for now, not just for today, but impact that is for the future. And so if you would like to be a part of this, visit the nearest FNB branch to support FNB Foundation, or you can visit our website.